Happy morning, children. How are you all? Yes, okay, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is algebraic expression. See, algebraic expression. Now, algebraic expression is nothing but you know that what is variable. You know what is variable, no? So, variable is nothing but the letters from A to Z, A, B, C, D, all the alphabets are comes under the variables. What it means, variable is concerned, the word variable shows that already the very word is in this word variable. No, variable is nothing but it can change, but constant is concerned all the numbers, it has some fixed value, it won't change. So variables are all the letters from A to Z and constant is all the numbers. So variables can vary but constant has a fixed value so that it won't change. So what is terms? We are the constant is all the numbers and the variables is like X, Y, Z or A, B, C, whatever it may be, and we are just joining those two things, that is constant and variable. These are all said to be terms. TERMS, terms. So these things are all said to be terms. So next, what is algebraic expression? Now we are coming into the topic, that is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Already you know what are all the terms. Now what is algebraic expression? We are going to combine all the terms which they gave, like these are all the terms, no, that is 2x, 4y, 4xy, these are all the terms. Now what is algebraic expression? Combining the terms. What is mean by combining? Joining. So combining the terms by using the arithmetic operations. So what is arithmetic operations? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, these are all the arithmetic operations. So combining the terms by using the arithmetic operations like a plus, minus, multiplication and division is known as algebraic expression. Now you know what is algebraic expression. So for example, so here look at here, 2x is a term, again 4y is another term, 4xy is another term, and 7xy is also a term. Now we are joining by using the operations like plus, minus and minus. So now these fully, that is whole expression, so fully these expression is known as the algebraic expression. So second example, look at here. So 4xy and 2x square and 4, these are all the three terms which you have, and joining the terms by using the arithmetic operations like plus and minus. So now it is given by algebraic expression. Okay, next come to the coefficient. What is coefficient? For example, now what is the expression is given by minus 7 x square y square. Now this is a whole algebraic expression. Now how can we write the coefficients for this expression? Now for example, the coefficient of y square. What is the coefficient of y square? How can we find the coefficient of y square here? Just hide the y square alone in this algebraic expressions and see what are all the remaining things which it has. See, while I am hiding y square, the remaining things is minus 7 and x square is there. So minus 7x square is the coefficient of y square. Like that same thing, what is the coefficient of x square? If they ask the coefficient of x square, what you have to do? Yes, you have to hide that x square alone on the algebraic expression and see what are all the remaining things which has. So minus 7 is there and again y square is there. So what is the coefficient of x square? Minus 7 y square. Like that, what is the coefficient of 7 here? They didn't ask minus 7, they asked only 7. So only 7 you have to add the remaining things, minus x square y square. So the coefficient of 7 is minus x square y square. Now I am just giving another example. That's example is 14x y z square. Now tell me the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y here? Yes, except y, we have to write all those things, no? So 14 is there, the constant is 14 and again x is there. Next y. We should not write y. Why? Because we are writing the coefficient of y, no? So we have to leave that y, and again is a square. Then coefficient of z square. So except z square, what are the things it has? 14, x and y. These are all the coefficients of y, and these are the coefficients of z square. For example, like this we have to write like coefficient of what they are asking. For example, they are asking x square. You just hide that x square alone and write all the remaining terms. Okay, and coefficient of z square is concerned, we have to hide z square and I have to write the remaining things. So these are the coefficient. Now I'm just giving the overall view. Please listen it carefully, children. So algebraic expression is nothing but we are used to join or combine all the expressions like algebra by using the arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division. It's given by algebraic expression. Now the variables is nothing. Variables is concerned, it will vary. It is possible to change its value. So variables are the letters from A to Z. Constant is nothing but all the numbers. Now all the numbers from 1 to infinity are all considered to be the constant. You know the word constant meaning it won't change, it remains same. So variable can vary but constant has a fixed value. Next come to the terms. What is terms? Terms is concerned, we are writing the numbers and also variables together. That's given by terms, and also whether it is a negative or positive, that whatever it may be, and these are all the terms. What is algebraic expressions? Already I said, combining the terms by using the arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division. It's known as algebraic expression. So these are all the example. Here these 2x, 4y and 4xy, 7x square, these are all the separate terms, and we are joining that by using the arithmetic operation, and it is given by algebraic expression. Next, coefficient is nothing but coefficient. It gives some power to that number because of that number. So here coefficient, for example, y square coefficient is nothing but minus. So we should not omit that sign. We have to include that sign also in that. So minus 7x square is the coefficient of y square. So for example, what is the coefficient of x square? Minus 7y square. Like this we have to write. This is the thing which we have seen today. So please kindly do the homeworks which I post in the group. Thank you so much, children.